जिस दिन आकाश बेदाग होगा, चेहरा चांद का साफ होगा। जिस दिन आकाश बेदाग होगा, चेहरा चांद का साफ होगा। जिस दिन समय ने आंखें खोली, इंसाफ 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 होगा। बहता क्या आँख में उम्मीद नहीं है, आंसू का मोल तो है, करीब नहीं है। तराजू उठेगा तो इंसाफ होगा। होगा होगा इंसाफ होगा। इंसाफ 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 होगा। बहती नदियाँ रुकती नहीं है, डूबो डूबो तरो तरो डूबो तो भी मुक्ति नहीं है। गर्दन पर है कर्ज लहू का, गर्दन देकर ही माफ होगा। इंसाफ 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 होगा। जिस दिन आकाश बेदाग होगा, चेहरा चांद का साफ होगा। जिस दिन समय ने आंखें खोली, इंसाफ 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 होगा।
In nature, nothing is wasted. Everything is recycled. This quote reminds us that waste doesn't have to be a problem if we manage it correctly. Today, we will look at some simple ways to manage waste that anyone can do.
Reducing waste starts with making conscious choices. For instance, when shopping, look for products with minimal packaging or buy in bulk. By reducing the amount of waste we generate, we lessen the burden on our landfills.
Every small change matters. Instead of using single-use plastic bags, switch to durable cloth bags. They are not only eco-friendly, but also sturdier and more versatile.
By being mindful of our consumption and waste, we can create a cleaner environment and inspire others to do the same.
Reducing item is a simple yet powerful way to manage waste. For example, carrying a reusable water bottle instead of buying bottled water reduces plastic waste significantly.
Maintaining and properly cleaning reusable items ensures they remain in good condition and continue to serve the purpose.
Community cleanup are an effective way to address waste issues collectively. Gather a group or set a date and dedicate some time to cleaning up your local park or neighborhood. Working together not only helps cleanse the area but also builds community spirit and set an example for others.
Sorting waste correctly during cleanups ensure that recyclables are processed properly. It reduces the amount of waste that ends up in landfills.
Education is the key to effective waste management. Create and share educational materials that informs about others about the importance of reducing, reusing and recycling. Engage in conversations about waste management with friends and family. The more we talk about it, the more likely others are to adopt these practices.
Distributing flyers or brochures can help spread awareness and provide useful tips for managing waste effectively.
Composting is a great way to handle organic waste like food scraps and garden waste. It transforms these materials into nutrient-rich compost that can be used to enrich the soil. Start a compost bin in home and at your community garden. Turn the compost regularly to speed up decomposition and ensure a healthy compost. Balance green materials, the fruit and vegetable scraps, with brown materials like dry leaves and paper to create a successful compost. Let's take care of our planet today so the future generation can enjoy it tomorrow. Together we can make a difference. Start today.